let's have a perspective about the following part of kizomba and musicality. That's true. In general, we always talk about the leader in the dance, that he leads in a musical way. But when we dance, we are two. And believe me that 50% of the work is also done by the follower. And the follower just has a different job, a different role in the musicality than the leaders. That's true. The leader is in the base, the initial base of leading the musicality, leading in a musical way. But the follower also has this, like, the part of the follower. So in this program, I'm gonna always talk about the follower perspective when it's necessary. I resume the follower perspective of musicality in three parts. First of all, the follower has to understand that the follower follow the lead, but always on the music. So it means that if the leader leads the follow on the beat, then the follow has to dance on the beat. If the leader leads the follow on the voice, the follow need to dance on the voice, the instruments on the instruments. So before to be able to, like, the base of the musicality basic for a follow is to dance on the beat. Like the leaders leads, but always on the beat. But then when you go to intermediate and whatever follow, you need to be able to follow when the leaders leads you on the voice and on the instrument. But to be able to do that, you need to be able to hear it. So that's really, really important. And then, so first part for follow, following on the beat. Second part for follow, be able to recognize, to be able to follow on the voice and on the instrument and everything. And the third part about following and musicality is that, you know, the follow the direction. Like, for example, if I ask a follow to do a saida, I ask her to do, like, okay, go to the back, then go to the front, to the front, to the front again. But the way the follow goes and what the follow do by following, like in the same time than following, why the follow does, is also part of musicality. So I'm not like just giving you everything now, just to explain you about, like, following in a musical way is also part of musicality. So I will try to explain my best, and we will have some video example, for example, for sure, about following and musicality. That's a big point. And for you, follow musicality is also 50% of the work. You also need to understand the music. So all of the theory of this class is also for you, follow, because if you don't understand those theory, it's gonna be really hard for you to follow actually a musical dancer. As a teacher, I travel a lot and I dance a lot with some follows in the world, and it's really easy for me to lead a follow on the beat. But from the moment that I start to lead her on the voice, like my lead, I try to tell her, okay, listen to the voice, follow to the voice. But it's pretty hard for a follow that for example, she doesn't listen to the music. It's pretty hard. So it's really important for me, for follow, even for follow to take musicality class, to be aware of on what she can be leaded, and then dancing on it. So follower, that's also for you.